Renovating your study or work from home space? Well, these 5 top tips will completely change how it looks and how it feels. Tip 1, colour first. Warm whites and stone tones keep the space calm, while deeper greens, charcoals, or in this case burnt orange, adds focus without feeling heavy. Tip 2, let the walls do the heavy lifting. Don't leave the walls blank. Textured wallpaper like this grass cloth adds subtle patterns, or even a panelled feature wall adds depth and makes the room feel considered, not temporary. Tip 3, lighting is everything. Layer your lighting. Combine overhead lighting with a desk lamp or wall light to reduce glare. Tip 4, materials and texture. Mix materials, timber, fabric, matte finishes and soft furnishings to help soften the space, so it feels like part of the home, not an office cubicle. Tip 5, style with purpose. Keep styling minimal but intentional. A few books, artwork or greenery adds personality without visual clutter. And finally, design your workspace to create focus and creativity, because good design works as hard as you do. Follow me for more interior tips on creating better interiors without breaking the budget.